I could never get too close to the edge, 'cause of the stories that you told me about falling.